Just do it on Twitter. Titter. All right. Welcome back, everybody. Thank you so much for tuning in to another stream. We got Mr. Hayes in the house. Yo.
Can they hear me?
If you guys are new here in the morning, we come in, we take a look at NQ price action, which is now happening inside the Discord, strictly inside the Discord. That's strictly inside the Discord, www.papertraders.io, and we've shared a link multiple times for the freemium membership that is now available for everybody. So come check us out, come hang out with us.
How about when that's full, then it's Discord only?
When what's full?
That link, there's 100 spots.
Oh, okay, yeah, I'm down with that. And my camera's fucking trying to fucking zoom me in again, motherfucker. I don't want to be 2 times zoomed in on my fucking shit. Please don't. I don't need to auto frame it. Okay, cool, thank you. Alright, anyways, in the morning we're coming in here, we're taking a look at NQ price action overnight. At the end of the day, we come in, we review what is actually happening. Could you tweet that link again so we can repost it for those that are...
Yeah, I'm gonna post it under my retweet. We gotta find it, hold on. I think it's in the Paper Traders bio.
Oh, okay, perfect. Well, go check us out on Twitter. That's at the Paper Traders. So go check that out. Anyways, we've been outlining this shit in the morning, so everybody that's inside Discord is obviously get a nice look at it. We typically start analysis on the 4-hour. That is everything. That is our foundation here. That we look at, and then we move to the hourly. We look at the 15, and then the 5-minute. We kind of use all of those 4 time frames combined together. I switch out between the 4-hour and the hourly. That's kind of the strategy that I mainly use. So yesterday, if you guys were with us, well, if you're in the Discord, you know. If not, then not. But in the morning, yesterday we were talking about this consolidation that was happening around this 29,310 area that we've seen previous bounces from multiple times, right? We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bounces out of this area, and every time we came back to it. So now we finally broke below that area, which gave us almost a manipulation here. You can see on the hourly we had this consolidation, now manipulated to the downside, and now we're finally back above this area. So we're watching this previous daily high. This is getting a little bit into what I'm looking at tomorrow. Previous daily high sweep. If we can't hold above that, we will continue to the downside. If we do, there's a very good shot at reversal here, given that we had our consolidation, we had our manipulation, and now it's time for a reversal to the upside, because we know that price never reverses from consolidations. So that is our biggest thing. Anyways, this morning we were looking at the 4-hour, right? You can see this level at 28,961.50. On the 4-hour, you can see that the bodies held it perfectly. On the hourly, we had a nice sweep that held it as well. And we began a reversal back into the upside. We were watching this fair value gap initially, combined it with the 5-minute fair value gap that we had here on the upside. There's everything that we had here today. So combined with that 5-minute fair value gap on the upside, we're watching this hourly. As the 9 a.m. closes, we're kind of still trading within this fair value gap. From here, we get a nice reversal to the downside as we cannot close the body above this fair value gap. Well, from that, we outlined the OTE. This is a banger. We outlined the OTE of this range that we had to the upside, this whole leg to the upside right there. We also outlined it on the hourly here, so let me show you that. There we go. So there's that OT, right? We had 2 OTs. We had either this bearish OT that we could possibly reject, or this bullish OT where we could retrace into, which we did. We held the 705 level, bodies closing above the 618 here on the hourly time frame, giving us that reversal back into the upside here. And then on the 5 and the 15-minute, you can see that we retraced into that 15-minute fair value gap. Something that we mentioned earlier today, that we had a bunch of those PD arrays on the downside, and only one of those bullish PD arrays held. So in order for us to continue to the upside, we would need to have a second one to confirm, right? Which we did. Retrace here on the 5-minute. We're holding the OTE. We're holding this 15-minute fair value gap. We have a rising Big 6, which all gives us that conviction to the upside. Another minor detail here, we can see that on this 5-minute, as we reverse, we form another OTE leg with a 5-minute fair value gap here, which provides that displacement portion for us. You can see the bodies are holding it, which gives it that continuation into the upside, targeting that London session high, which we swept, and retrace back into that New York midnight open. which on Wednesdays we always, or not always, there's like a whatever 80% chance that price comes back to the opening price, which we did the New York Central, or the, oh my fucking god, brain's moving so fast, midnight open here. Price typically retraces back into the overnight open on Wednesdays. So that was another play, right? That the conviction of upside that was given to us here this morning. So retrace here, then continuation. On the upside, right now we still have a few liquidities here that could get swept. We already swept some, and we are currently just playing in a range between previous daily high and this 12-hour and the daily open. So 12-hour level at 29,448.25 that we're going to continue to watch. I think the daily closed really nicely right now with the wick to the downside here, which is pretty decent, right, for a reversal. I will bring up one thing on NQ that I had outlined. It was NQM, NQU over here. So on the weekly time frame, this is something that I was looking at given the pattern that we've had the previous 2 weeks. If we keep on being in this consolidation, this is kind of the weekly close that I'm looking for. So another green weekly close, and then followed by next week probably being to the downside. I'll send this to you. Just kind of, I shared this at the beginning of the week, I think, or last week sometime. But just something in terms of if we want to keep on consolidating before a continued ripper, that will obviously be the case, as we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks of upside. So I think that's very possible here. Very, very possible here. Forming this almost a similar pattern where we have this like little breakdown to the downside for a couple months and then continuation to the upside, which I feel like summer usually always likes to consolidate and do fucking jack shit. Anyways, that's all I have on NQ. But we're going to keep on watching this range. We're going to come back tomorrow morning. We're going to review this with you guys for the overnight price action. So make sure you're tuning into that. Sharing these streams if you're finding value in them. And yeah. Oh, perfect. There's the link.
I hear something crazy. I haven't looked at charts in so long that my trading view actually expired.
Your trading view actually fucking expired. And you missed the fucking deal, too.
I know.
Dude.
It's all a joke until...
It's all a joke until TradingView doesn't offer any more fucking discounts.
No more discounts ever.
What's the next fucking holiday?
Back to school.
What's the next holiday? We're TradingView. We'll do a discount. July 4th, Labor Day. Well, that already fucking passed. Thank you. Black Friday or Cyber Monday.
Ooh, those are the good ones.
Yeah, the Christmas ones are also good too. Like I usually smack my shit on the Christmas one. I'm gonna ask Trump to call the president of TradingView and ask him to revive the deal. For real. The charts are so good on this platform. Although they lag sometimes, they're very good.
Every American gets an account.
Every American. Once you turn 18, you get access to your TradingView account.
Yep.
With a portfolio picked by professional portfolio managers from JP Morgan. The best of the best. Damn. Rivian already went outside week. Oh, this is a fucking banger.
I have a pretty good list of things.
Okay, I forget what is the song called? Oh, I can fucking look myself too. Change of the moon. Yeah, that's such a fucking banger. Alright, hit me with your list.
EMPH. Weekly.
EMPH.
Yeah. Just tell me when you're ready for the next one.
Yeah, I've had this one outlined for so long, and we're finally hitting that weekly fair value gap here. If this weekly can close within the range of that previous weekly, this will be a good old long with the CASD displacement on the daily. Is that what you're looking at?
Yeah.
Perfect.
AVGO weekly.
Beauty. Retested that consolidation inside the weekly fair value gap. Previous monthly low swept. I like that.
Yeah, there's no like bearish FPGs on the weekly or anything
It's a
either.
beauty.
CLS weekly.
CLS. CLS weekly with that previous weekly wick and holding the 200 EMA.
Yeah, and that trend line
Mm-hmm.
from those two highs to the left. And yeah, 618. Costco maybe. Monthly's okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I like the sweep of that previous monthly. We're also holding, bodies are holding above the 618 of that OTE range here. So this one could be good. Good potential here. I feel like SE was a good one on my list. We continue to hold that 705 of the OT, and now we're seeing a nice bounce out of it on the weekly and the daily above the 200 EMA too. What else did I have? Win
Weekly is like the last one I have.
I do like those SFPs. This consolidation though right now, but I do like that sweep. Previous monthly low sweep too. Previous quarterly low sweep. Yeah, previous quarterly low sweep. This can actually be a nice rising 3 to the upside on this quarter. Market here, rising 3. Dash was on my watch. Dash was looking pretty decent. Not so much anymore, but I do like how this monthly is kind of like in this consolidation here. CRSP. And now that one weekly is getting swept. PG's also kind of consolidating here. I don't know. I feel kind of weak on all the tech right now.
Yeah. It's just a couple things that look good.
Yeah. I mean, I'm sure. What is it? Zom probably retested this. Yeah. So Zom, I had this channel on it, and now it's bouncing right on it. So Zom obviously. Trump said that the war is not over again, so, you know.
Yep.
Iran wants to negotiate so bad. They keep calling me. They're like, Mr. Trump, please negotiate with us. And I keep telling them, no, we're not going to negotiate.
I did mention SE. PEP was also looking good when I was looking at it last week. That previous weekly was looking good. Right now it's rejecting the 200 EMA and the monthly's kind of iffy, so that's like the only thing here. S is an absolute fucking beauty. S went crazy. GTLB had a little bit of a downy day today, not too fun. Previous weekly high swept. So she needs a little pep in her step. And the same with Chipotle, CMG. God, just fucking bangers. CMG needs to get a little pep in her step too above this monthly. So previous monthly high now rejected to the downside, but needs to hold this OT of this daily range here.
Yeah, I like that.
Ho Depot is also just fucking, I don't know, she's literally Rivian and Home Depot trade like fucking like meme coins.
Yeah. Home Depot's a really good trading spot.
Yeah. Goddamn, Rivian fucking outside week. 3 days into the week. What the fuck? God. I guess there's a broadening on Rivian. probably do it for today. I got nothing else. But look at this browning on the ribbon. It doesn't look too bad. On the ribbon.
Yeah,
keep
Vivian
on
looks okay.
cock and balling her between these ranges. As long as it holds the fucking 200 EMA, I feel like she keeps on riding on. 786 of the OTE bounce right on it. That's all I got. Got anything else?
No.
Any wise words?
Just do shit. Just do shit.
Just do shit. That's very fucking true. Honestly, that's very fucking true. Holy shit, Baba Gap up today.
Yeah, I saw that. It was like beater, I think.
11%. Holy fuck. Well, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in. As always, give it a like, give it a share if you enjoyed it. Coming out, we retweeted that link to the freemium membership. Once we get 100 peeps in there.
Yep, 100. I think there's like 73 or 78.
Well, that's perfect. Yeah. Once those spots are all used up, we're going to be streaming strictly inside the Discord, so make sure you go sign up. Secure your spot, as those won't last long.
Let me go private again.
Yeah. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for tuning in. Go check out Mr. Haste. 3,000 followers for Mr. Haste.
We're going to do a lifetime membership giveaway. And 2,000 followers for me, I'm going to do a tracksuit reel, so that's going to be pretty cool. And that, we'll see you on the next one. Peace out.
Peace.